How you doing? You alright? I swapped my PC for a laptop, I don't know what, 3 or 4 months ago, using it on my desk here, and I work at home quite a bit, and I am getting some right jip on my shoulders because it's not at the right height and I'm bending down all the time to look at it. So I'm going to give something a go. An adjustable laptop stand. You know, there's hundreds out there. I picked Tronsmart D07. Okay, looked reasonable. I think this one's black. It just props it up, puts it at eye level, adjustable. Got some little phone stands that flip out from it, but I've got my little beanbag for my phone, so I'm not bothered about that. And it means going back to another wireless keyboard, but that's fine. There's plenty of nice comfortable ones out there, so I've bought another one. I'm going to do a video for that, but I'm going to set this up and see what it's like. Just have a quick look how it comes out of the box. I think I ordered black. That's just quite compact, and it looks like it will just flip up and use. On the back, you can see, although this is white, it makes it easy for you to see, and it literally is a stand. Looks like a Z stand. So yeah, I'll get it out of the packet and see how we go. Okay, here we are out of the packet. Pretty straightforward, I think. Couple of legs that come out, flip up, and as the sticker says, that's upside down, slot them in. So that's going to be the front, that flips out to hold your laptop on. Yeah, and then this just flips up, and it's a bit like a deck chair. This comes out and you can slot it in any way you want along here, so you can have it high or you can have it a lot lower. I think we'll try it lower, like that. You've got your little phone parts that come out. You can stand your phone in. Where's my phone? Obviously not that side. But like I say, I've got my beanbag. So back round, laptop. Let's have a look. So then, in fact, that's a good guess. That's pretty as it should be. So if I just bring this around, yeah, and it's more to the height that I need. I just need a wireless keyboard now, but good non-slip. Yeah, quite impressed with that. D07 adjustable laptop stand, Tronsmart. Good to go. Catch up soon, yeah? Keep safe.